how to sell Nanobanana tokens. Are you guys facing issues to sell Nanobanana tokens? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To sell tokens in Nanobanana.AI, start by logging into your account on website or application. Once you're on the dashboard, log into the wallet or sell token sections. Here you will see list of tokens you are currently hold. Select the token you want to sell and enter the amount you wish to sell. Next, choose your preferred method to receive the funds such as your Nanobanana.AI balance, bank account or digital wallet. Carefully review all the details including the token activity, selling the price and total value. Once everything looks correct, click sell or confirm. The transaction will be processed and the funds will be credited to your chosen account. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna sell tokens in Nanobanana. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.